Hello, I'm Klaus Andersen. Just wanted to make a short video on legs, how I count legs and legs in trends and legs in trading ranges, two-legged pullbacks, three-legged wedges and whatnot. And I'm gonna make it short and sweet because I'm going to do a trade of the day video also. And I don't want you guys to get bored. Just got a question on legs and I wanted to answer that. So here we go. This right here is one leg up from that low to that high. That's one leg. Here we're starting to form one leg down right here. You could also subdivide these legs. I'm gonna get into that in a short while. From this low to that high, that's one leg. Often you say if you get a pullback, then you start a new leg. So that's one leg. This is the pullback, and this is a second leg. On this push here, we have one leg, small pullback, now second leg. But if you go up in a time frame or something like that, then this is going to look like just one leg, just one push down. Still there's a lot of subdivided legs here. Here we have a bare leg down. This time was only one bar. A leg can be one bar. It can be, you can have two legs in one bar or more. Here you had the price all the way down there. Trade it down, one leg up to where it closed up here. So that's nested legs inside of the bars, but the ones that matter are the ones that you see, and that's also relevant to the time frame you trade. These small legs in here, not relevant when you're on the 4-hour time frame. One leg down, and then you have this wedge pattern that moves down here, and you can count that as the second leg. So one leg down and then the second leg down. And there's a lot of nested legs in here. And you also got some pullbacks. But you can count that as a two-legged pullback and then continuation up after a two-legged correction after a new high. Okay, we're going to take a look at this leg in here. I'm going to drop down the time frame now. So now you see this is the same leg we looked at just before. You see the bull channel here. Now you see that leg on the 4-hour time frame was just one leg. Now you see here you've got one push up, you've got a small pause, and then you got a second push up. So here it's actually two legs up. So on this time frame, we count that as a two-legged move. Now we're at a potential channel line, so you're looking to short. You never get any good setups, so you skip this trade up here. On the 15-minute time frame, same leg. It's right here. That's the same leg as we just looked at. One leg on the 4-hour, two legs on the 1-hour. Here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 legs up. So this is where we want to be counting legs if you're on the 15-minute time frame. This is if you trade on the 4-hour time frame, sorry, on the 1-hour time frame, and you're considering when is this move over, then you can go. I'm just gonna get rid of that. Then you can drop down a time frame to see where are we in the pattern formation. Right here, you had the leg up, and then you had a spike and channel kind of movement, and then exhaustion bar, and we are at resistance. So perhaps the leg is almost done on the 1-hour time frame. You can get a better analysis if you drop down a time frame. On the 5-minute chart, this very same leg, look at this right here, one leg, and then that's actually a spike and a channel up here, and then you get a correction, and then you get another spike and a channel that's more like a bear channel still. In here you can also see you've got smaller legs in here subdivided, and when you're counting a bull flag like this right here, then you're looking at these minor corrections. If you're counting here, then you're counting 1, 2 legs at support, bull bar, then that's what you're looking for. If you're looking for when a move is over, for instance here you got the spike, and then you got the channel, and you got the third push around here, then you get a very reversal bar. Potentially this is going to go down. It didn't in this case, but probability is higher than if you try to go short in here before the pattern had completed, before the 3 legs had completed. That's the patterns I'm looking for when I'm looking for legs. I'm looking for 2-legged moves. I'm looking for 3-legged wedges in here, and that's pretty much what it's all about in trading. So now we had major leg down, sideways trading, another major leg down. Now it's going to be exciting to see what price does here, if it sells off or if it rallies out. If this is an exhaust and a break of this support line here. So that's it for now. I'm gonna get on with this trade of the day video, and you guys have a nice trading week.